Nakakalimutan ko, Pinay, Pinoy series ng okay, ready? Kaya, okay, Julia, congratulations. Very, like, tama na kami sa before, pero very level up ka rin dito, ha? Did you, parang, how do you feel now na yung ganun ang reaction ng mga tao? First time we've seen it. So, the reception na, you feel
sobrang grateful. Sobrang saya ko ngayon kasi pinaghirapan namin talaga yung pinaghirapan namin yung so many people behind the screen. Pinagpuyatan to lahat kasi so I'm so excited, especially back home. The feedback and the reception received this week. So thank you.
And kanina we spoke with your mom. She's so proud of you.
Talaga.
And then she said talagang important daw sa'yo yung feedback niya rin.
Yes.
Like how important is it na your mom, yung approval ng mom yung mga projects?
Yeah, but siguro kasi naturally, mother diba? So, pag masaya siya, parang feeling mo success na yun on its own. So, yun lang naman.
And Julia, last from
Yes.
you're on a roll this year, last from Calendar, Philippines yung project mo, how fulfilled are you? And this week, kahit busy ka na, ang ganda na, hindi na maraming projects, ito rin yung project mo. Very busy, very proud to call na, very busy na yung project. So,
Wala, nagpapasalamat lang ako sa Diyos araw-araw. My feet are very much on the ground. Nagpapasalamat lang ako sa lahat ng blessings and sa support na nakuha ko from my friends, my family, syempre yung mga fans ko na ang tagal na namin magkasama lalo. So, nagpapasalamat lang ako, but more than anything, I think this is just inspiring me and motivating me to keep going and to stay inspired more than anything.
So, you mentioned your fans. Nagkakaroon ka na ng Indonesian JBT.
yeah, really?
So, kamusta yung experience? Ano yung reaction mo doon na nagkakaroon ka na ng ganong fan base?
Grabe, alam mo, it was so much fun. Ang bilis lang namin sa Indonesia, and also my first time. But grabe, my stay there was very memorable. And that 2 days that I had there, nagpapasalamat ako kasi sobrang bait nila lahat. Parang silang yung mga Pilipino, very warm, very nice, very accommodating. They'll make you feel at home. They're very welcoming. So nagpapasalamat ako. And sana, by some miracle, baka sana maka-work din ako ng something doon. If I have to learn bahasa, sige, game, but sana one day.
From the first episode,
Anong reaction?
most memorable moments ninyo?
Ang dami lalo na sa kitchen. Kasi syempre, tasting, cooking, lahat ng memorable moments namin palagi nasa kitchen.
Favorite ko yung pet?
Well, first day namin yun. So, yeah, that was fun to shoot actually. Last scene of our first day.
Julia, you proved that you're a chemistry magnet. Kahit sino makasama mo, may kilig factor talaga. So, what's the secret behind that kind of thing?
Thank you, Lord. Pero siguro, I think it's just important in anything that we do, that we all do, in the things that we love to do and are passionate about. Talagang kailangan may puso talaga. With your heart, and with 100%. And swerte ko din kasi sobrang buti ng mga nakasama ko. So talagang naging maganda yung friendship namin. Lahat ng work namin kami sa isa't isa.
So, what have you learned while working with Lisa and Nicole?
The Korean production.
Yeah, just, continue to evolve, get out of your comfort zone, learn to adjust, learn to adapt, and naman kasi yung
And Julia, last time, we can say naman na international star ka naman na. It's a start, and I think things have been really going well with you. And parang, and it shows din, parang really now that and then you mentioned in the interview, with the interview with Tony, you're at peace now. Yeah, so was that something naman na that just happened naturally or something you had to work towards reconciliation?
of course, tao din. That's years of, patience and learnings, and then listening to advice of people who truly want the best for you, especially your family, like my mom, lalo, and my siblings. So, yun naman, I feel like peace is available for everyone. Basta we make the necessary steps to reach the kind of peace that we want.
Thank you, and you're doing so well, Julia. Thank you so much.
Last week, binigyan mo kami sa bonggang new movie. Ngayon, bonggang international series. Kung sa Dota. Kasi biglang isang Julia pa rin.
Ay, naman paulit-ulit ipapasalamat ko talaga sa lahat ng mga blessings niya sa akin.
Thank you so much, Julia, for your time.
Invite ka lang sa
Ayan, View, please get the app, View.